Hey guys, so we're doing a burping contest and I'm using a Gatorade, so yeah. I'm going to drink it and then I'm going to burp.
Okay. Yeah, my name's Maddie, you know. I'm gonna do a long, well, I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm gonna burp. This is my Powerade. Let's start from her. Okay. There's a bug in here. Okay. I'll drink milk instead. There's graham cracker in here.
That was a strong burp.
Wasn't that awesome? Who won? Me or Kerrigan? Comment.
Below.
Subscribe.
Comment, subscribe,
Like.
like. And if you tell us who won.
That was no way, I promise.
Okay, tell us who won and you might get a shout out.
Hold on. What's your name? One Direction fan? Or, yeah,
One Direction fangirl.
Yeah. We're not doing your dare. That was your dare in burp style. But we didn't tell how it smelled, so yeah. Okay. Bye.
Toodles.